Okay, so today we're going to make crepes for Manicotti shells. Okay, so you're going to mix the wet ingredients first, cup of milk and 3 eggs. And then in another bowl, half a cup of flour and a teaspoon of salt. Then you're going to add the wet to the dry mix. Okay? All right, slowly. And the goal is to make these crepes. Cut up some parchment paper to separate them. And I use 2 spatulas, okay? One that I use to spread the mixture with and one to flip. Okay, now if it's too dry, you can add a little bit more milk, but you don't want the consistency too thin. What I use is 1/4 cup of for the batter. All right, this is a nonstick pan, and the nonstick pans are great because you don't need butter and a lot of oil, and then therefore you have less chance of it burning. All right, so then I'm gonna go ahead and get my ingredients and just kind of spread it all around on that pan like that. Get the yucky one, the one that's kind of already messed up there. Spread it around in the pan. Okay, now it's on low. You want to keep it on low. Just keep spreading it all the way to the edges. 1/4 is plenty for this size pan. Depends on the kind of pan you're using, I guess. All right, you want to wait till the edges get crisp and you see a little bit of bubbles. I'm going to get my one that's clean and wait a while and wait for that to start to cook. And give it a little bit of time. You don't want it to burn, so you want them nice and fluffy. Okay, then I'm going to go like this to the edges and see where I can lift it up. Once it feels like you can lift it up somewhere, you want to kind of go like that, there, and then gently flip it, okay? And then I kind of just go like that, leave it there for just a few minutes. Then you're going to take it and you're going to put your parchment paper down, separate it, and then you're going to go ahead like that. And then just keep doing that. And then you're going to make a whole lot of crepes because then eventually, like I said, you're going to fill them up with your ingredients, roll them, put them in the pan, put your sauce on top, and bake them, okay? And that's your crepes.